Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky Eyes. I'm Prakash. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this one. This is a Foldscope, basically a microscope, and this was a foldable and very small, compact and robust microscope invented for the poor people and for the students who wanna do small tests on the water samples and any other samples. Even though it is smallest and cheapest microscope, it is not like blur quality and cheap quality one. You can see as much quality as normal microscope. Okay, let's open and see what's in this. This one is the deluxe one. This is a deluxe kit and individual one. There are so many other kits like a student kit. They will sell 20 packs and 30 packs together, and in this kit this is a little costlier, and we get all the instruments like scissors, sample plates and sample collectors and all. This is sample collectors and scissors, sample wells, and many things you can get in this. I'll do quick review later, and I need to assemble this first. Okay, this one, basically this one is the microscope. This is a paper based microscope. We need to assemble everything, and we need to put lenses. These are the lenses. So I will explain later how to do this. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, before assembling, let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box we have these things. These are the extra equipments we get for the deluxe kit. Magnify, these are the lenses and well plates, magnifier, LED magnifier, pipettes and tweezer, tape, and these are the slides, sample slides, and these are sample tubes. Okay. And inside the box, other than these extra instruments, we have microscope. This one, if we assemble this, we get the microscope, and this is the instruction manual. We have pencil and book to note the results and extra stickers and stuff. This is the unique ID for you. You can share your information to the Foldscope website. In the website, you can share your results so that it will be shared to everyone. And before doing assembling, let's see the manual first. These are all accessories inside this tray, and this is the parts of assembly. Inside these parts, first one is the lens stage, and lens stage, one side we have blue color and the side is yellow color, and after the lens stage we need to do focus ramp. This is focus ramp, we need to fit into lens stage, and third one is sample stage and panning guide. These two we need to fix together, and after the in the final stage we need to assemble this sample stage and panning guide to the lens stage. So finally you will get Foldscope. Okay, let's do one by one. So before assembling, let's keep other things aside which is not required now. For the assembling we need some stickers. These are stickers and instruction manual and this part, and we need lenses, and in the pipette area we get one cotton swab which is required for lens cleaning. We will take it later. Just for your information, I am showing where it is. This will be in the keypad area. So in the lenses, we get magnetic couplers. This won't have any lens. This is coupler. It has a hole. It will stick to the another magnet. Okay, in the lens part, we have some magnetic couplers and some lenses. This is a magnetic coupler. You can identify this is in the square shape, which has some dotted edge one side, and one side black and the other side is metallic color. So like this we get multiple magnetic couplers. So total I got 4 magnetic couplers. Some are required to connect to the smartphone. You can fix one coupler to the smartphone and you can directly connect your smartphone to the microscope, so that you can see results in the phone directly. So these are our couplers, and we got 2 lenses. Lens in the round shape. I don't know what's the purpose. I think both are the same. You can use one lens for now. So I keep these lenses aside for now. And we need one magnetic coupler in the starting, so I'll take one by one from the side. I'll keep aside. And these stickers also, we need only one sticker for now. And in the starting, we need to take the lens stage. First, let's see what are in the whole paper. This paper material also like plastic kind of material. I think it's a waterproof. And these are all used for samples. You can put sample here and you can check. These are all slides, basically sample slides. We'll take out these first. This we can use some bugs, something like flies, mosquitoes you can put and sticker both the sides and you can see. And there are different types of sample slides. I'll show you in a while. Let's take out this first. So we got total 4 sample slides of this kind. Put aside for now. And the other 2 sample slides are like these dotted, total 5 dots in each. These are mainly useful for the water sample test. So you can pour a small drop of water inside. Tape both the sides and you can check the results. What are the nematodes and any bacteria and other things inside the water, you can check in this. And this kind of slides we got total 2. Put them aside for now. And let's come to the main stages. This one is the lens stage. This is the lens stage as you see in the instruction manual. This area is the lens stage total. Let's take out this first. Very easy to take out from the whole sheet. And this one side is yellow color, another side one is blue. So it's mainly optical representation in the scope. So all yellow sides will come one side and all blues will come into another side. If you can see this, this has yellow color. So all these yellow parts will come one side. And the other side blues will come into another side. So final scope will looks like this. So back side is like this and front side is like this. So let's keep the lens stage aside and take out all the other stages. And this one is focusing ramp. So while taking out focusing ramp, you should be little careful. Don't break the dotted lines. It has some dotted lines and some stiff lines. So you break these stiff lines and don't cut the dotted line part, because dotted lines is referred for the folding. Wherever dotted lines are there, you need to fold there, and wherever normal lines, normal cuttings are there, in that part you need to take out. So just follow the same rule everywhere. So in middle, the first two parts, you need to take out this middle part also. This is now not useful. Just take out. This is the sample. Focusing RAM, and this one is this part, panning guide. So currently now we've taken out focusing ramp, lens stage and panning guide. So the last one is sample stage, so where we put the samples. Here also same rule, don't break the dotted line, just break at the normal cutting point where pull it out. So finally we have separated all the stages and all the parts from the main sheet. So this parts looks like this, the total 4 parts. Just throw these things, these are not required anymore. This is waste, you can throw out. Okay, let's follow the instruction manual and do assembly. In the first stage, we need to take the lens stage and we need to put magnetic coupler. We need to put magnetic coupler in this part, so that dotted edge should be the right side and this yellow part in the bottom. So we need to take this like this. This is the lens stage, so yellow part in the bottom side. If you rotate, this will be fully yellow color. So we need to take this side and we need to fix the magnetic coupler here, and they're mentioning silver side should be up and holes to the right. So this is the first part. So these are the magnetic couplers. I'll take one, and the dotted should be right, silver should be up. Just insert here, and this upper corner should be pressed inside. Just bend it and push inside, whatever the way easy for you, just do. So we need to be fit like this. So done. That is the first part. Very easy, we finished very easily. So the second stage, we need to fix the another magnetic coupler, the bottom of the lens stage, the red color area, and here place the coupler silver side down with alignment holes to the left. So this dotted holes should be the left side and silver side should be down. And we need to hold this lens stays in the yellow color side upward. So let's see how to hold it. So this is matching exactly to this. Now we need to put the lens stays in that extra lens coupler here, magnetic coupler. Dotted line should be left side and silver should be bottom direction. So let's take another coupler. I'll take this one. So silver should be down and dotted should be left side. The same way, you need to insert dotted into the left part. Press totally inside. That's it. After this, after inserting this one, we need to fold this area upward direction like this. See the image? You need to fold like this. So let me try that. So here we have dotted lines. Wherever the dotted lines, we need to fold. We need to fold it up. Once we fold, we get these corners. So we need to push inside. Top part into top hole. Sides. So it looks like this. So this coupler will stick to this part. So the second stage finished. And now we need to insert lens into the lens stage. So let's take one lens. This is the lens. We need to use the cotton swab now. We need to clean the lens first for the 10 seconds, both the sides. Just gently rotate the swab inside the lens hole. Here just in the circular motion clean the lens properly. We need to clean the lens every time we use this one. Okay, let's put the lens aside. After cleaning the lens, we need to stick the lens here. So to stick the lens, we need to use these stickers. Okay. So we need to take out one sticker and we need to put here. This is the double side sticker. So when we take out, we need to press and you should be more careful here. So when we take out, the gum part should come to this part. So it should not be sticky, this should be sticky. So the round circle double side sticker should come to this part. and we need to stick it gently to this area. So we need to put it here and stick it, and take out this cover. Need to throw it later. And now double side sticker sticked one side to the magnetic coupler. Now we need to stick this lens on this top of the sticker. So here they have given some instructions. Place the lens on sticker with the bump side facing down. So in the lens, this is the bump side and also silver side, and this is normal side. So we need to place the lens on this like this. So the bump side sticked, and just gently press, and again use a cotton swab to clean lens area. And now this part finished. So here is the lens inside. Lens is here, magnetic coupler. So this part finished. So now we need to go to the focus ramp. Okay, I'll put it aside for now. This one we use, no use anymore. This put aside. And now we need to fold the focus ramp. So in the focus ramp we have many dotted lines. So here as it's shown, we need to take the white side and fold all the dotted lines inside. So we need to fold one by one inside. Let's try from the shortest part. Just fold and open. There are two dotted lines, we need to fold one by one. Second, open. The second part also two dotted. Every part has two dotted lines. We need to exactly fold at the dotted line and open. And just press and open. Press. So it will fold like this. Just open for now, and later I'll show how to fold it all together. Okay, now I have folded every dotted line. Let's fold all together. So these two lines should be on the side, these big parts on the top and bottom, so you will get some hollow space when you see like this. So this has small side, and first if you fold like this, you will get this focusing ramp in this format. So when you see from the bottom side, you can see a hollow space and the small sides and long sides in the up and down. So it looks like this. So we finished with the focusing ramp, and we need to put it here. So the result is looks like this. So it exactly looks like this, and we need to put it into lens stage. So take the lens stage now. The lens stage we need to put here in this hole and take it from this hole, and it will move like this. And we finished this stage. Now let's go to the sample stage and panning guide part. So this is very easy. This is panning guide and this is sample stage. So in the sample stage, first we need to take in the blue side, and here we have some dotted lines. So fold these dotted lines inside 2 times, and there is one small cutting. You need to put this yellow part, press inside carefully. So we need to do like this in both the sides. This yellow part will come up. This looks like this. Okay, after finishing foldings, you can get like this. The 2 yellow parts will come like this. And now panning guide stage. So the result is like this in this part, and we need to put the sample stage into these holes. I'll show how to put. This middle line should come up, and yellow part we need to take like this. Just it looks like this, and this part will go inside. So put like this in this gap and take it out from the second gap. So this middle line will come up, and do same both the sides and adjust into the middle. And after that, this part will finish, and now we need to assemble it to the lens stage. This is the lens stage. Place the lens stage on the top of assembly. So this is the assembly. The Foldscope should be on the top side, the letters. Just put it like this and take the lens stage, open it, focusing ramp on the top, and place it here. So in this gap we can see the Foldscope instruments, the text written on this bottom sample stage. So after putting on this, we need to lock it together. So these pieces, these red parts, we need to lock these red parts. So sides you bring it up, in middle also we need to bring it up like this, both the sides, bottom and top. So top side the Foldscope will come up, and the bottom side also we need to do same way. So both the stages locked together. So this is the result. See, the Foldscope instruments came up, the focusing ramp, all the stages locked. So once we place the sample here, so you can move the sample left and right and bottom up, so you can exactly focus your sample. So we forgot one more thing, that is folding this bottom part of the lens stage. We haven't forgot, this is the next part. So we need to fold these all dotted lines together and we need to stick here. Let's see how to do it. Sorry, we need to stick in the back side only, I think. Whatever the side, let's fold it first. So if you hold it like this, the first line should be down, second line should be down, third line should be down, fourth line should be up. So if you hold like this, there are 4 dotted lines, 3 dotted lines should be downwards and one last one we need to fold up. Let's do the up first. This dotted line upwards. Up means if you hold blue color upside, so we need to fold it upwards. And all remaining downwards. First one, it came with the folding, and the second one we need to fold. Just press and press multiple times so that it will be folded and stay in place. So after folding like this, two lines down, one line down, and this last line upward. So this looks like this. Just rotate, it should stick here. So the result of this stage looks like this. You can see it here. And attach ID sticker. So in this sticker bag we got ID sticker. So we need to take it out. This is the sticker. There is a area we need to stick our sticker here. Just take it out and place it here. So finally we have done assembling. And let's take this up, see how it looks like this. So 10th and 11th stages, you can see the whole scope. This is the front part in the 10th stage, and the 11th part is showing back part with the sticker. So finally we have finished assembling. Wow, congratulations Prakash, we have done. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. In the next video I will show how it works and how to test the samples like water, something like mosquitoes, flies. So we need to use all these sample slides. We need to put the samples here and test for the different slides for the different samples like water, soil and everything. You can test with this. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.